Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see Introduction to Python program. First, we'll have overview of Python. Python is popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used in many areas of development such as web development, software development, and system scripting. It is powerful, interpreted, and object-oriented programming language. This is a overview for the Python. Now we'll see how to use Python programming. First thing is it is a open source programming language. So what is meaning of open source? Open source means when you write any application in Python, you don't have to pay anything. It is freely available. Huge community support. While developing your application, if you stuck, there is a community to help you. That's why huge community support with the Python. Next thing is Python is cross-platform. So what is meaning of cross-platform? Means we can write application in Python on any operating system and it can be executed on another operating system like Windows, Mac, Raspberry Pi, etc. Next, use of Python programming, huge set of libraries and tools. When you write application, at that time you can use the libraries and tools available in Python, which you can use to speed up the development process. Now, next thing, features of Python programming. First feature is it is a simple and easy to learn. Syntax are very easy. Next thing, it is freely and open source, freely available and open source operating system. Again, next feature is it is high level programming language. So what is meaning of programming language? When we give input to computer, it is always converted into machine level language, that is computer can understand it. In the same way, when we write a Python code, translators are used to give that code to the computer. Here in Python, interpreter is used as a translator. It means by using the translator, Python is converted into machine level language. Python is converted into bytecode by using the interpreter. And this bytecode is nothing but the machine level language. Or next feature, it is a dynamically typed. So what is meaning of dynamically typed? When you use the programming languages like C, C++, Java, at the time when you want to declare any kind of variable, at that time you have to give the data type for that. When suppose I want to declare integer type of variable, int x. So I will give it a data type int x and name of the variable. It is the syntax for C, C++, and Java. In case of Python, suppose I want to define a variable. At that time, what I will do? Directly I will write x is equal to 5. So by that value only, it will understand that x is a type of integer. That's why it is called as a dynamically typed in Python. Now this hash symbol indicates the comment in your program. Now next feature is Python is a cross-platform, or we can say it as a portable. Means you can develop a Python application, execute it on different operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry. The next feature of Python is lesser line of. Suppose you have one programming logic or you want to develop one kind of application. At that time, if you write a program in Java as well as in Python, so Python will require the less line of code than Java programming language. That's why it is given that Java requires more LOC. LOC means lines of code than Python, because Python includes English language type methods which are easy to implement, and within few lines of code you can accomplish a task easily. Next feature is versatile. By using this language, we can work with different fields such as data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and games. In different fields we can work. In this, Python have a multiple programming paradigm. So what is meaning of multiple programming paradigm? It can be treated in object-oriented way or functional programming or procedural way. That's why it is called as a multi-programming paradigm. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.